Are you lonely or just trying to fool someone into thinking you have a romantic partner? Inventing an imaginary boyfriend or girlfriend is easy. First, create your partner beforehand. Have a firm grasp of who they are and rehearse your story so you don't give yourself away by lying on the spot. Keep it believable by borrowing a background from someone you know. If your friend is an Italian Catholic, your partner is too. Use the truth whenever possible. If you go to a movie alone, just tell people Rick was in there and he laughed so hard he choked on his popcorn. To explain their absence, give them a demanding job or a large family in Boston. You should even give them an online presence. Create a profile and have them comment, "What up, bud?" to distinguish their voice from yours. Finally, if anyone gets suspicious, deflect with sarcasm. Roll your eyes and say, "Oh, yeah, I definitely sat in my room and dreamed this person up," as if the truth is simply too impossible to believe. Follow these steps, and you'll have a partner who never steals the covers.